Welcome back to the channel. I'm Charlie Peterson. I'm standing in front of a newer listing here in Steeple Chase, which is a prestigious gated community here in the Lake Mary, Florida suburb of North Orlando. This property is located just off of I-4. It is stunning, over 4,000 square feet. Pool, home, resort, outdoor bar, and patio area just is phenomenal. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside, and shout out to Gail Kohler, who has this property listed within our office here of Keller Williams Heritage Realty. Okay, so real quick before we watch the rest of the video here, for current pricing, availability, and options like this home here in the Lake Mary or North Orlando area, go ahead and reach out to me on the phone number on the screen or comment below your questions. Okay, so this property is the Granada floor plan. This property features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, over 4,200 square feet, just shy of 4,300 square feet. Incredible curb appeal up front here. You've got all the brick facade, stone facade up front. And then you've got a unique garage here that Taylor Morrison did a phenomenal job when they built the homes in here. You've got a double car here, and then a single car garage over there. So you've got plenty of space to park your vehicles, and then an exterior entrance there, great for groceries and so forth, running out to the cars real quick. And then when you host, you've got a phenomenal front entrance here with a balcony up top, grand entrance into this massive door. All right, now coming inside, you're greeted by tray ceilings and a phenomenal vaulted ceiling here with balcony up to the upstairs. Formal sitting area. Lots of windows providing natural light. Current owners have gone with a moodier color scheme, something that's a little bit darker in taste, but you could easily brighten the place up with a new coat of paint, so forth if you would like. But I think that what they've done here is just phenomenal. Engineered hardwood flooring in here, built-in cabinets, real quick feature in here, just for a little extra storage space for the ladies. You've got plenty of pull-out drawers inside of this cabinet, and this works as a great office space too. So you have to run to a meeting, night out, anything like that, you could easily grab your shoes close to the front door area. But lots of built-ins, and through those windows over there is where I was pointing out the exterior garage door next to the single car garage. All right, and then we're gonna flip back over here. You had just seen the formal dining, guest half bath. Through here, you've got a grand kitchen, 42-inch upper cabinets with crown molding, tile backsplash, gorgeous countertops, and slide-out drawers underneath the gas cooktop. Again, I'm going to point out the crown molding up top there, a great feature. And then one of my personal favorites, this huge farm sink. And now, as times have changed a little bit, that fully open concept is starting to kind of fade out a little bit. So this plan was a little bit ahead of its time in which it gives it an open concept feel. However, it is divided so you each have a space. Each room has a designated space, but it's still open and great for entertainment. So I'm standing back here to the pool. By the way, the pool is one of the biggest selling points to this property here. Grand living room, great cubby area with surround sound built by Bose. And then heading out here towards that back patio that I was just talking about. You have a resort style pool, outdoor kitchen area, TV built in. That door here is to the master bedroom, but great outdoor space. Now this is going to be extremely hard to find an outdoor bar like this. They've already got kegs tapped in here. Teak wood furniture, which is negotiable. Fire pit. But again, let's just take a look at this incredible backyard. Now, I want to point out a quick feature that is phenomenal here, especially in a space that does not have an outdoor screened area to keep the bugs out. you do have a system right here along the fence line, and this will spray something that is kind of like a citronella citrus smell that will allow you to help detract the bugs from the outdoor space here, so no need for a pool screen. Large pool, shallow on this side with plenty of steps for entertaining and hanging out and seats on the side. Mature podocarpus shrubs around the border. Gorgeous palm trees giving it that tropical feel. All right, now let's head back inside. So there's so many different selling features in this home, but here off of the living room, we're gonna get into the built-out wine room. Talk about having a collection and so forth. You've got plenty of space to hide it here and to show off. Get another beer tap. Just phenomenal. All right, and this is gonna be your laundry room here with built-in cabinets, a wet sink right over here. And this is that door I mentioned when I was at the front for the grocery delivery room. Access to the single car garage right here. And then, all right, now let's get to the master bedroom. The master bedroom features tray ceilings, crown molding, huge space, lots of furniture in here. And as you can see, there's plenty of space to go. All right, heading into the ensuite bathroom. You've got a double vanity set up here on the right-hand side. Dual closets, his and her closets. Seamless shower glass with a tile. And then the closet here. All right. And then you're gonna have a very similar closet over there as well in that corner. But heading upstairs, you're gonna find 4 different bedrooms up here. And a huge bonus room. All right, so the first landing here in the stairs separates into 2 different directions. You've got bedrooms over here, and then you've got a bonus room that does still technically count as a bedroom as well. So we're gonna head there first. Talk about a huge entertainment space. I mean, you could deck this out to a pool room. You could do a ton here in this room. Lots of space to work with. You do have a full shower up here. Full bathroom. And then you've got a couple utility closets, linen closet. Heading back over here to the other side of the valley. Down the stairs and up the stairs. Great landing spot here. Good poker room. See, they got the poker chips out here. Again, more storage collection here, built-in shelving. Just phenomenal. Lots of workmanship here that is hard to find. All right, we've got bedrooms 2. Closet over there in that corner, walkout balcony. Bedroom 3, closet, full ensuite bathroom. Full bathroom that we just passed. And then the 4th bedroom upstairs here. So all in all, you have a ton of entertainment space here in this property that is just hard to find, especially new. So for updated current price and availability of this particular home or homes like it here north of Orlando, please go ahead and reach out to me here on the phone number on the screen, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching.